Welcome to the West Learning Center. We believe that all students can learn and grow. We are dedicated to supporting everyone who enters our building by focusing on creating a sense of belonging for all and holding students and staff safety in the highest regard. Our goal is to help students find their purpose in life through exploring many opportunities that allow students to experience a sense of achievement while they are taking responsibility for their actions. Throughout West Learning Center, you will notice multiple signs all around the building reminding students and staff of the required protocols due to the COVID regulations. In each classroom and gathering space throughout the building, signs like this one are seen. Teachers and staff review these protocols with students on a regular basis. Hand sanitizing units have been installed near every entrance to the building. Please encourage your children to use the hand sanitizing station upon entering the building. We do so every morning.
Hi, I'm Maria Kiesler. I'm the principal at West Learning Center. We are so excited that you're joining us tonight in our virtual open house, our first ever. I would like to take a moment to introduce our assistant principals.
Hi, I'm Molly Hawley, and I'm the assistant principal for Crossroads, Futures, and Alt High School.
Hi, I'm Dana Kwanda. I'm the assistant principal for Reclaim.
We are looking forward to joining you in your Zoom meetings tonight. I know that each of the programs have a slightly different agenda. Some of you will be watching videos right from the start, and some of you will be having some really in-depth conversations with your classroom teachers. So please feel free to ask as many questions as you have, and at any time, if you ever feel you would like to meet with any one of us or have a conversation with us, just give us a call and we will schedule that meeting with you anytime that works.
Thank you for allowing us to be part of your children's school life. Thank you for being part of our community, and we look forward to spending the rest of the school year getting to know them and getting to know you.
Thank you very much, and we look forward to hopefully being able to see you in person soon.
Have a wonderful night and a great school year, and if anything comes up, please give us a call. From your Wolf Pack, have a great night.